takes to your conscious levels, or what is called endocrine glands. You have 7 endocrine glands in the body. You have your pineal gland, your pituitary gland, your thyroid glands, your thymus gland, your pancreas, spleen, your adrenal glands within the woman, the uterus and the ovaries within the male, the testes and the prostate. So these are what is called ductless glands, in which that produces hormones within the body. Whenever the hormones is resonated from out of the brain, it is act as a step down transformer from the pineal gland to the rest of the endocrine gland system. Once the endocrine gland system has those particular balances of hormones in the body, then you can produce a chain reaction in which that is necessary in order to manifest what you want into existence. This is why the yogi teachers teach the science of chakra work and how to utilize chakra power. For example, when you breathe in and out of a particular chakra, what you're doing is cleansing it. All right? Is therefore you're releasing the toxins and the poison from out of it, and you're attempting to bring in new pranic energy or chi energy or ki energy into it. Therefore, you are storing energy, astral energy, cosmic energy, which that you can utilize in order to bring what you need into existence. That's what we all have to do in order to take this secret thing to the next level. All right, so you have to do what is called chakra breathing. All right, how you would do that is sit with your back straight up, hands on your knees, and you can visualize the various areas that we just finished talking about, in particular the pineal gland. So you would think about energy coming in and out at the top of the head. So you would visualize you breathing in. As you breathe in, you will feel energy coming in at the top of the head. And then as you breathe out, energy leaving from out the top of the head. That's how you cleanse the and balance each endocrine gland and chakra point. Because at the core of each of the so-called endocrine glands is a nestle of nerves, a cluster of nerves. That nerve produces neurons, which is actually what produces a light frequency, in which that in the Orient they call it chakras, which means a wheel within light, color, and sound, in which that produces light, color, and sound. It's a wheel that actually rotates based on your conscious level, either to the right or to the left. Okay? I don't want to go too far, you know what I'm saying, because we still ain't get to the advanced part yet. But this is what we have to do. So next you would do the third eye. You breathe into the third eye and out through the medulla oblongata, breathe in through the medulla oblongata, and then out through the third eye, cleansing those, cleansing that pole. All right. Then you would go to the throat. You know what I'm saying? Breathe in. As you breathe in through the nose, you will breathe out through the nose, but then out through the particular organ or gland that you have correlated to, which is now with the thyroid gland. Right? Then you through the thymus gland. You would do the pancreas, the spleen, which helps with that whole area. The adrenal glands. You would do the navel area, which deals with the within the male, the prostate gland. You know what I'm saying? And then the testes. You would do the breathing exercises from up and in through the testes or the perineum. Right? For the woman, through the navel chakra into the uterus, and then through her vaginal canal. You know what I'm saying? She would visualize breathing in and out through it. So it's the visualization technique of cleansing out the auric field, you know what I'm saying, through that manner. You know what I'm saying? So as you get rid of those toxins and poison that you have accumulated and debris of auric energy, you releasing it, and you bringing in new energy and releasing old energy. You know what I'm saying? That's what your lungs do, and that's what you must do for each of the organs in your body. So once you have accumulated enough auric astral energy, you know what I'm saying, after you do the cleansing breath, now after you do that, now you can absorb energy. That's what melanin does anyway. Melanin is an absorb. What it does, it absorbs energy, it conducts energy, it transmits energy, and it receives energy. All right. So now it's time for you to receive and absorb the energy now after you cleanse it. So now you begin to visualize energy just coming into the top of the head. You know what I'm saying? You can store it in the third eye area. So you would visualize energy being stored here in the third eye. You can visualize energy being stored at the back of the heart. You can visualize energy being stored at the solar plexus or either at the navel chakra. and you would store the energy in these particular locations. All right. The most known storage place for energy or pranic energy, chi energy, ki energy is the dantian, which is the navel chakra, or right below the navel chakra, about 1 inch to 3 inches, or 1 inch to 3 inches below. You know what I'm saying? And that is where you would store the energy at. You know, so it goes deep. But the fact is that this is the energy that you're now going to use in order to bring about a actual physical manifestation. All right, you can't bring forth a physical manifestation with old ass energy. All right, this is what is meant in the Bible, that you can put new wine in the old bag, and the damn old bag will burst. Yeah. Okay, you can't put new wine in the old bag. Yeah. This is one of the things that the damn secret didn't tell the people. You can damn attempt to change your thoughts, but you have to cleanse yourself of those old emotions and that baggage. You know, I might remember Erykah Badu's song called Bag Lady. Bag Lady, yeah. She was talking about how each event, she was talking about a different woman and or a different person, and how they store the emotional baggages inside of themselves. They're carrying that shit around, and they dumping that shit off on the brothers, or vice versa, on the brothers onto the sisters. You know what I'm saying? So that you have to cleanse yourself from that emotional baggage. Then you can put new energy into a new vessel. But you can't put new energy into an old vessel, because that shit will burst. Fuck around and damn catch a heart attack or some shit. See, that's what they didn't tell you on the secret. Seriously.